As advisors transition into the Making Tax Digital environment, there are many things that they need to be thinking about. Firstly, and probably most importantly, who does what? Who's responsible for what firstly with their VAT returns? Are they today responsible for them? Do their clients file them? And then the second part really is then engaging their clients into that process. Really starting to engage, does the client want to continue working in the same way with the advisor? The third point advisors need to focus in on also is the monitoring of the VAT deadlines, because from the 1st of April there will be many deadlines throughout that they need to monitor and understand when the VAT returns are due. In CCH One Click, we have the ability to monitor those deadlines, and the system will actually alert you to when those filing deadlines come up. Now, this is really huge advantage for our advisor, because what we found out from our market research is the majority of advisors will today be monitoring them through a spreadsheet. So they don't get that style of alerting that CCH One Click can now give to them.
What became clear in the market was that spreadsheets weren't going to go away with the transition to Making Tax Digital. So bridging software like CCH One Click came about so advisors and their clients could continue using their current spreadsheets, take their information out of those spreadsheets into a third-party tool digitally, which can then submit directly to HMRC using APIs.